you have 2 locking casters and 2 non-locking ones. This is the top, this is the bottom. The locking casters goes in the corner with these arrows pointing. I like this brochure because I was looking at the title names of some of them and it would say TSTAK 1, 2, or 3, but these are just numbering schemes for naming their different accessories in the TSTAK system. This is their first one, second, third, fourth, but I don't see a 5th one here. 6, 7, 8. There's a specific TSTAK foam that you can buy. Connect radio, charger, clipboard, cooler, organizer. They don't put a number for that one. Cart, which is what we're looking at right now. Trolley, mobile storage for EU market only, soft tote and soft bag. Listed on each of these is the weight limit, and if it's a multiple drawer, weight limit of each drawer. I've seen other people review carts and it actually requires a bolt. This one doesn't. It's kind of like a caster in an office chair. You just push it right in. Let's do one of them here. You need the right leverage. Roll it around. 220 pounds maximum on this thing. Pretty sturdy. And let's lock it and then try to push it. We'll put them on top. The entire bottom has this whole pattern that's a 1/4 inch thick all the way around, including these 2 notches over here. Towards the back, there's the same thing. So when you put it on top and you just kind of scoot it into place, it'll lock itself in. And you just push this lock into place. Doesn't take too much effort to pull it out. Turn it around. We'll lock this side too. And now this whole thing is locked into place.